This is the Bigster, and I'm back. I'm trying to get on this little YouTube thing that I want to work on for a minute. But right now, I was looking for me a small boat to work on, something I could, a little fixer-upper or something. And hey, I got lucky.
Bye.
I ran across this here. I ran across me a Jon Boat, 14 foot, came with the trolling motor, and I'm thinking it's about 36 wide. I'm not sure, but it's a pretty good boat, I guess. I only seen one thing that kind of flaws me. I haven't stuck it in the water or anything yet, but he made a little mount on the front for trolling for the front seat. So I think what I might do is give me one of those telescope arms and put on the trolling motor. I think if I'm not trying to do anything big to it. I think I might go out to Home Depot, as I've seen some of you guys have made some modifications with that foam. So I might go out and get me a sheet or two of that, put in the bottom and here between the ridges. And I'm not sure if I want to do the diamond plate or if I just want to find me some little cheap rubber mats to put in the bottom. Because a big guy like me, I don't want to add too much weight to a boat. I'm already a shaky because I've never ridden in a boat before. So I'm tired of fishing on the bank all year long. Sometimes of the year it's good. Fish from the bank, sometimes it's not. But, and all said and done, it seemed like the guy tried to do a little camouflaging up in there. Looks pretty good. I haven't stuck it in the water to check for leaks or anything, but haven't really checked for leaks or anything yet. But I guess the transom looks as if it's in pretty good shape. I can't really just say right now, but I do feel like I might have just go ahead and it don't look like it's no more than maybe a 3/4 half-inch plywood. I might try to get that. I guess y'all be seeing red oak or something. You know. I know one thing. I know the name of it is kraft, and it doesn't have a hull number, so it has a serial number. So I'm guessing that I know that it was when I Googled it to the Mississippi Wildlife Management. They said that the boat hull was made before November 1972. That it had serial number. So I know this boat had to be made before 1972. So I'm really not sure about the year on it. But I think it's gonna be a nice little project. First time boat owner. And I really just trying to see what all I really could do with this joker. But I think I did pretty good for the price. So I guess I'll see you guys in the future. I'm not going to say near because I got other projects on hand at the moment. But here's my boat. And also, I'm thinking of maybe, and it's pretty deep too. That's what I like about it. That's the only thing I was skeptical about all the newer boats that I see. They're not as deep as these older boats. I don't know if it was for weight capacity or just the way they did things, but it's not that heavy. I mean, I can load it up on the back of the truck pretty much almost by myself. But in my 14-foot Jon Boat, I don't think I want to drill off into the benches. I'm thinking about the clamps for it. But each one of these benches have a lip on it. And I see that. So I'm really not confused on that end. So if you guys got any type of suggestions, I want whatever I do, I don't want to do any cutting. That's what I don't want to do. I just want to put me a nice bench seat here. Put me a bench seat here. On this bench. And maybe on the trolling end, I'm really not sure about the trolling end. So maybe once I get me a extended arm or something, maybe I'll put me a little stool chair or something up front so I could sit there and troll. But kind of just, you guys just give me some suggestions on how I could basically set this thing up. But I think I'm finna play around with it for a little while before I go in. But here's the big stuff. See you guys on the water. Keep them tight.